Are you tired of not being able to say more than hello in English? Do you dream of having simple conversations but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. This video is all about 300 super basic English expressions, questions, and answers. These are the building blocks of the English language. From asking, "What's your name?" to saying, "I'm hungry," we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll be surprised at how much you can communicate. So, let's get started on making English easy and fun.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thanks.
Hey guys, how are you?
I'm fine.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, I guess.
Hi. Hey, what's up? Not much.
What's up?
Not much, just hung around.
What's up, boys?
Not much.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Can I help you?
Oh, no, thank you.
Where are you?
I'm at home. Why?
Hey, where are you?
I'm at home. Like, where are you?
I'm at home in my apartment.
What's the matter?
I'm stressed.
What's the matter?
I'm stressed.
What's the matter with you? I'm stressed out.
Do you need anything?
Nah, I'm good. Do you need anything?
No, I'm good.
How was your day?
It was okay.
How was your day?
It was okay.
How was your day?
It was okay, I guess.
Are you coming?
I'll be there soon.
Are you coming now?
No, but I'll be there soon.
I'll be there soon, okay?
What's new? Not much, really.
So, what's new?
Oh, not much. What's new with you?
Not a lot.
You okay?
Yeah. Just tired.
You okay?
Yeah, just tired.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just tired, that's all.
I don't know what to do.
Maybe you should stay here with your friends.
I don't know what to do.
Let's think.
What about traveling the world?
Sometimes I don't know what to do.
Why not say that in the first place?
This is hard.
Come on, Emily, you can do it.
This is hard!
You can do it!
This is hard work.
You can do it.
Should I call him?
What do you want to say to him?
Should I call him?
Fine, go ahead and call him. Should I call him now?
Do you want to?
I'm stuck.
I'll call for help.
Well, looks like I'm stuck here.
What exactly are you trying to say?
And unlike you, I'm stuck here. You might want to try a different city.
What's the plan?
Well, we'll figure it out.
What's the plan?
We'll figure it out. What's the plan now?
We'll figure it out.
I'm nervous.
All right, let's just take a deep breath, okay?
Okay, now I'm nervous.
Take a deep breath.
I'm nervous about the whole situation.
Take a deep breath.
I'm bored.
Let's go out.
I'm bored with the whole business.
Let's go have some fun.
I'm bored with it, all right?
Do you want to come over and watch a movie?
I can't handle this.
Yeah, let me help you.
I can't handle this.
Just let me help you.
I can't handle this anymore.
I want you to know you're not alone if you need any help.
It's too much!
Let's take it one step at a time. It's too much for me.
Let me break it down for you.
Really? It's too much.
Please, everybody just relax, okay?
Please, I need help.
I'm here for you, man.
I need help!
If you need anything, I'm here for you.
I need help so badly. I'm here for you, if you'll let me be. I'm late.
Well, hurry up.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh, that's okay.
Sorry I'm late!
No worries, man.
It's raining.
Oh, what a bummer. It's raining. You got a rain coat?
It's raining cats and dogs.
You better take an umbrella.
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's eat.
I'm hungry.
I can order some takeout.
I'm hungry.
There's a restaurant nearby that sells hot dogs.
I'm cold.
I think you should put on a sweater.
We need to turn up the heat.
I'm cold.
I'm gonna bring you a nice cup of hot tea.
I'm broke. I'll give you some cash.
I'm broke.
We gotta get a side hustle.
I'm broke.
Maybe there are some activities you could take part in.
I'm sorry.
Listen, everyone makes mistakes.
I'm sorry.
Okay, apology accepted.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right, dude. Don't worry about it.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you back. I love you, you know?
I love you too.
Hey, buddy. I love you.
Well, that's so sweet.
I'm scared.
Everything will be fine, I promise. I'm scared.
And I'm right here with you.
Oh, I'm scared. Everything will be fine.
I'm happy.
That's great to hear. I'm happy for you.
Wow, it's really kind of you to say.
I'm happy to come back.
It's great to have you around again.
I'm sorry I messed up, Dad.
It's no big deal.
I'm sorry I messed up. All right?
We can sit up later, so don't worry about it.
I'm sorry. I messed up again.
Apology accepted.
Why are you here?
I came to talk to you. Why are you here?
Actually, I came to take you away.
Then why are you here?
I came to find my father.
Who is that?
Oh, that's just Joe.
Who is that?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
Who is that?
I think it's my friend.
What time is it?
Say around 3 o'clock.
Jesus, what time is it, man? Check your phone.
What time is it there?
It's 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon.
Where did you go?
I went to the grocery store.
Where did you go?
I was at the library, honest.
Where did you go with my car?
Sophie and I went to the park, and then we got ice cream.
How did you do that?
Trial and error.
How did you do that?
I followed a recipe.
How did you do that?
Do not look to me for advice, okay?
Did you finish?
Yes, I finished that.
So, did you finish?
We're just adding the final touches.
But did you finish?
The truth is, I'm still working on it. Can you come?
I'm sure I'll be there soon enough.
Can you come now?
Listen, I'd love to, but I can't, all right?
Can you come here?
Yeah, I'm tied up right now.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is this yours?
No, it's not.
Is this yours?
I'm not sure.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Are you sure?
Yes, absolutely.
Are you sure about this?
Just let me double check here.
Do you like it?
I really like it.
So, do you like it?
Not really.
Do you like it?
I mean, it's okay, but I do not call it perfect.
I'm inspired.
That's wonderful.
I'm inspired.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I'm inspired, Dad.
God, that's wonderful. I'm grateful.
You're welcome. And I'm grateful to you.
You're welcome.
I'm grateful for it. You're welcome.
This is amazing.
This is pretty special, isn't it?
This is amazing.
Yes, indeed it is.
Well, I think this is amazing.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I hate this.
That's too bad.
I hate this.
Why don't you get rid of it?
I hate this.
Look, I understand how you feel.
I'm excited.
That's great to hear.
I'm excited now.
I can tell already.
Now I'm excited.
Cool, right?
I'm annoyed.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
I'm annoyed.
Is there anything I can do to help?
All right, I'm annoyed.
What's been bothering you?
I'm proud of you.
I appreciate it.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I'm proud of you.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that.
I'm disappointed.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
No, I'm disappointed.
Sorry I let you down.
I'm disappointed in you.
So what can I do to fix it? I'm jealous.
Oh, come on.
Okay, I'm jealous.
Don't be silly.
For the record, I'm jealous.
Well, I take that as a compliment.
I'm confused.
Please, just let me explain. I'm confused and I'm worried.
Let's talk about it. Okay?
Sorry, I'm confused.
Can you tell me more about it?